wanted to do a little video here on how to fix your extension cord when one of the ends gets messed up. On mine, this here end got messed up, and I'm going to replace it here. I bought a new one at Home Depot. This is like a heavy duty one. It was around $7. But first of all, you'll want to start off, you'll have to have you a screwdriver, a knife, and a pair of wire strippers if you got them. If not, you can do it with a knife. But first of all, you'd want to take and cut back about 1 inch on your insulation here and take it off. And you'll end up with a green wire, a white wire, and a black wire. And you'll want to strip these wires here just a little bit. Maybe a 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch back. Do that to all 3 of them. After you do that, you'll have to open up your new end for it there. Take the screws out of it. And on this style here, they just fold open and you end up with it like that. The black wire will go in this here little slot here. Which on this, you just stick a wire into the little hole there. Take your screwdriver and turn it till it tightens up on it. Check, make sure it don't pull out. And your green wire, which is your ground wire, will go to this here sort of a U-shaped one. Same thing, you stick it in a little hole there. Get the bare part up inside of it as far as you can. Tighten it up and check, make sure it don't pull out on you. And the last one will go in the big slot there. And after that, you just take and put the cord down on there. Get it centered with the black part there. Close it together. And you'll have to put your screws back in. Tighten them down so it closes the gap up in between them there. And that's all there is to repairing your extension cord. As you can see there, we can plug it in together. But it's pretty simple and a lot cheaper than throwing a cord away. So, like my video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and have a great night, everybody. Bye.